Tired of payroll turning your entrepreneurial dreams into a paperwork nightmare? Let's cut through the confusion and uncover everything you need to know about Gusto payroll software in just 90 seconds. First up, pricing. Gusto offers different plans, typically ranging from simple payroll services to more comprehensive HR features. Take a close look at their website, we've linked it below, and compare the plans to see which one aligns with your budget and business needs. Don't just look at the monthly fee. Consider the per employee cost as well, as this can significantly impact your overall expenses. Next, integrations are key. Gusto plays well with other software you likely already use, like QuickBooks, Xero, and popular time tracking apps. Ensuring seamless integration saves you time and reduces errors by automatically syncing data between platforms. Check for integrations with your existing accounting and HR systems before you commit. Compliance is where Gusto really shines. It automates federal, state, and local tax filings, helping you avoid penalties and stay on the right side of the law. However, it's your responsibility to ensure the information you input is accurate. Gusto is a powerful tool, but garbage in, garbage out. Finally, let's talk support. Gusto offers various support channels, including phone, email, and a comprehensive help center. Before contacting support, explore their knowledge base. Chances are, you'll find answers to common questions there when you do need to contact them. Be prepared with specific details about your issue for faster resolution. Remember, understanding these key aspects of Gusto empowers you to make an informed decision and choose the best payroll solution for your business. Now go conquer that payroll.